Run out of bobbin? Or did your thread or needle break in the middle of your quilting? Don't worry. Repair Pattern will get you back on track. Stop your machine first, then click the pause button on your tablet. You will now see the option to show repair tools. Press the on-screen button to access the Repair Design feature. In the Repair Design window, press the closest stitch button on the tablet screen. Your machine may move slightly as the system locks the location in place. Hand crank your needle close to the quilt top. In the Sew Your Design window, the software will estimate the part of the design that has been completed and the part that is not completed based on the needle position. If this estimation does not look accurate, you can use the following buttons to adjust the machine and needle position. Use the -1 and plus stitch buttons to move the pattern on the tablet back and forward 1 stitch respectively. Repeat as needed to line up where your stitches were complete on the pattern. Then press the Go to Stitch button. Your machine will move to that location on the quilt top. Repeat this process until your machine needle is lined up with the last completed stitch. Hint: always check to make sure that this stitch is complete on both the top and bottom of the quilt, as sometimes it can look like a stitch is complete on the top but is not truly locked in on the bottom. Once you are ready to begin sewing again, pull up your bobbin thread and press the Start Repair Sew countdown, remembering to click the Sew Start button on your sewing machine or press down on the foot pedal as soon as the countdown ends.